Three types of AI image generators. Not all AI image generators work the same way. Today, there are three main types. The first type is text-to-image generators. These create images directly from a written prompt. For example, here in Magnific, we open the image generator, write a description, and click Generate. The AI creates images based on the text. The second type is image-to-image generators. Here you upload a reference image and ask the AI to modify or transform it. For example, turning a photo into an illustration or changing the style. The third type is editing and enhancement tools. These allow you to expand, upscale, or modify generated images. For example, removing objects, changing backgrounds. Most modern platforms, including Magnific, combine all three types into one workflow, which makes it easy to generate, edit, and refine images in just a few clicks. Now you know the three main types of AI image generators. Next, we'll talk about how to choose the right AI image generator for your work. Learn more about AI image generation, subscribe to the channel. New short tutorials and practical tips are coming soon.